Hello techies, we are in lab 3.3.6 and we're going to configure port aggregation. As a network administrator, you have decided to implement port aggregation and combine multiple ports on your switch to increase throughput and provide redundancy with automatic failover and fallback. So in this lab, you're going to log into Cisco switch console from Google Chrome, and we create a new link aggregation group and enable protocol, assign ports to EG members, configure lag1 to VLAN mode of access, join lag1 to VLAN 13, verify the status of new lag1 group, answer the questions, save the changes to the switch startup configuration file. Okay, alright, so we have our tag set. This is lab 3.3.6. Let us start a lab. And in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make and every step I take in this video. I am fast because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so that it won't be too long for you all. Alright, so let's input the details, the username and the password. This is going to be Cisco, and the password also, and let's wait for this to load. Alright, so create a new link aggregation group lag1. So we go into create a new link aggregation group. Okay, so we're going to port management and let's see, link aggregation, lag management, and let's see, lag1 edit. So in here we're going to select lag name is going to be Windows underscore server, and so enable link aggregation control protocol ASP, enable this, and assign port GE1 GE2 as lag members. Okay, so GE1 GE2 is to be assigned as lag member. So Z1 assign, GE2 assign also. Apply, close, and the next thing we're going to do is to configure lag1 to VLAN, and let's see. VLAN management interface settings. Port is going to be lag go, and select lag1 edit. Yep, edit, and let's see, private VLAN promiscuous. Let's see. Okay, alright. Let's see. Nope. Close this. So copy settings. Are we copying? No. Nope. Let's let's edit this, and nope, this feature is not lag. Nope. Okay, ports, let's see, close, yes, cancel this, and let's click go, lag1, ports go, lag1 go, and let's edit, maximize, access and apply. Okay, so let's apply this, close, and VLAN membership. Port is gonna be lag Google and lag 1 on tag. Let's say gen lag 1 and 13. Okay, selected. Okay, like 13. Apply. Upload, close. Verify the status of lag 1 group, then answer question. So let's verify the status. Lag management. Let's check questions, and this is going to be link up GE1, GE2. So this is complete here, and be saved. Don't forget to save, apply, okay, and yep, done. Now if this video was helpful to you in any way, remember to share on other platforms so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.